हिकअप्स पार्ट 2 मैं हूं डॉक्टर शामिल भरैया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, रोग निदान डिपार्टमेंट, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। आज हम हिक्का के पार्ट 2 देखेंगे, जिसमें सबसे पहले कॉज देखते हैं हिक्का का। Causes. The most common triggers for hiccups that last less than 48 hours include drinking carbonated beverages, drinking too much alcohol, eating too much adjustment or emotional stress, sudden temperature changes, swallowing air with chewing gum or sucking on candy. Hiccup that last more than 48 hours may be caused by a variety of factors which are generally grouped into the following categories: nerve damage or irritation, central nervous system disorder, metabolic disorder, and DRAPS. Nerve damage or irritation. The most common cause of long-term hiccup is a damage to or irritation of the vagus nerves or phrenic nerves, which severe the diaphragm muscle. Factors that may cause damage or irritant to these nerve include a hair or something else in ear touching your eardrum, a tumor, cyst or goiter in neck, gastroesophageal reflex, sore throat और laryngitis। इस प्रकार से यहाँ पर कॉजेज का डिस्क्रिप्शन किया गया है। थैंक यू।